Excuse me. Here we go. Ode to Joy. Everybody's heard the tune Ode to Joy, even if you don't know what the name of it is. I didn't for a long time. We're going to start off with the chords. The chords are fairly simple folk-style chords, but I've got a sneaky F chord in there. Let me show you. Start with your C chord. And we're going to need to know what the bass notes for each of these chords are. You probably already know it, but just as a reminder, we're going to use the 5th string for the bass note on the C chord. Then we're going to change this to that F chord. I'm going to leave the bass note where it is, put the pinky down on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and move the 2nd finger over to the 3rd string. And then go back to C. We're going to use a G chord, and a very simple G chord, just 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. And we're also going to throw in an E chord. That's an E bass note right there on the 6th string, and then A minor with the bass note on the 5th string. Okay, so let's do that basic finger picking pattern. It's a simple pattern, but it's very useful, and it's a great foundation for more complex patterns as well. The key is to learn to relax your hand and get a nice rolling motion, because that'll transfer into more complex patterns as you get there. So let's just do it on the C chord to start off with. It looks like this. And I'm going to use the string numbers to indicate the actual pattern. We'll call this a 5, 4, 3, 2. That's the string numbers that you're plucking with the right hand. Go ahead and put your thumb on the 5th string, your fingers on 4, 3, and 2, and let's do it. Ready, hit it. Twice in a row. Now to that F chord. Bass is going to stay the same. Pinky down, 2nd finger over. Go. Twice. And then back to the C chord. Onto G, 6th string, 3rd fret. Get your thumb over there too in the right hand. Go. Kind of hammered that high note there, huh? Back to C. F. We're actually repeating the same pattern again. Back to C. And then to finish it up, this part, a quick G, 1 strum, 1 finger pick, and then 1 C. So that's the A section, we'll call it. Basically, the structure of the song is A, B, a middle section, and then repeats the A section again. And that first A section could actually be seen as A and then A again. The second A is a little bit different, but it kind of echoes the first A. It's just that last measure that's different. Let's go on to the B section, the middle section, and we're going to start with a G chord for that. And we're going to switch a little faster. You're only going to get a chance to do 1 finger roll pattern instead of the double pattern like we did before. Thumb on the 6th string, ready, hit it, G. To C. Back to G. And C. G. Here's a change coming up now, E. A minor 5th string bass. G. And this goes into the A section again, just like the beginning. Let's do it, just for practice. Start with C chord. Ready, go. Twice. F, same bass note. Back to C. G, 1 pattern, and then 1 C. It's just like that second of the A sections. Matter of fact, exactly alike. So you've got the whole tune. It's mostly a matter of practicing to get the chord changes first, then the picking pattern, and integrate the two together so you don't hesitate when you go to change chords. Let's go through it one last time. We'll just go slowly through the chords and I'll call them out. Start with a C chord. 1, 2, ready, hit it. and F. Back to C. And G. You can't see it, but I'm tapping my foot. Now that's the first section A. The second one starts over, C. F. Back to C now. And a quick G, one strum, one finger pick, and one C. Now we're going on to the B section. Starts with G. Go. To C. G. C. G. E minor. A minor. And G. Now the A section again. Go back to the C chord. F. C. And G. And back to C. Good work. So you've got the chords. Go ahead and practice the finger picking pattern, the chord changes. Sometimes I even like to just strum through the chords to kind of get comfortable with the changes and then add the finger picking pattern. And I've got a cool play along track for you. You're going to like this.